In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales quotation template in Odoo. If you regularly send similar quotations to customers, creating a template can save a lot of time and help keep your sales documents consistent. Instead of manually adding the same products, services, and terms every time, you can prepare everything once and reuse it whenever you create a new quotation. To get started, open the Sales app in Odoo, then go to Configuration. In the Sales Order section, select Templates. This is where you can manage the quotation templates that your team will use. Once you're there, click New to create a new quotation template. In the Template field, enter a clear and descriptive name, such as Standard Consultancy Package. It's a good idea to choose a name that makes the template easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create several templates for different services or sales scenarios. Next, set the type to quotation. This ensures the template is configured for sales quotations and can be applied directly when preparing offers for customers. After that, go to the Lines tab. Here, click Add a product and select the products or services you want included in the template. Add each item you want to appear by default. Then, set the quantity for each product as needed. This is useful if you typically sell a standard bundle, package, or recurring group of services together. If you want the quotation to be easier to read, you can also use Add a section or Add a note. Sections help organize the document into clear parts, while notes are helpful for adding short explanations or extra information inside the quotation itself. Then open the Terms and Conditions tab. In this area, enter any terms you want to be automatically included in quotations that use this template. This can help standardize important information and reduce the chance of forgetting key details. Next, open the Settings tab and configure any additional quotation template options you need. These settings may vary depending on how your Odoo environment is configured, so take a moment to review them carefully and make sure they match your sales process. Once everything is entered, make sure the template is saved. Odoo normally saves changes automatically, but it's always worth confirming that your updates have been recorded before you move on. From that point on, when creating a new quotation, simply select this template to automatically load its configured products, quantities, terms, and settings. This makes the quotation process faster, more accurate, and much more consistent. Thanks for watching.